You enjoy the endless core of laundry. Imagine turning this daily hustle into a profitable business. Meet Aisha, a busy working mom who was frustrated with the time and energy it took to do the laundry. Seeing an opportunity, she decided to start a business. She decided to start a laundry service, offering conveniences and quality to our community. Aisha faced several obstacles, including finding a good location, investing in necessary equipment, and building a customer base. Through hard work and effective marketing and excellent customer service, Aisha was able to overcome these challenges and establish a successful laundry business. On this episode, we will be talking about how to set up a profitable laundry service business in a city or area, because we are targeting an area where it has a large number of working class, banks, government offices. You have to be in the heart of the city, heart of Abuja, heart of Lagos, heart of Port Harcourt, heart of Owerri, heart of where there's large number of working class where they can just move in, pick up, pick up, drop, and just go on with their normal daily lives. And even they come and pick up and go. That's how it is. On this episode, I'm going to give you 6 steps in which you can easily use and kickstart this business as easy as possible. But believe me, it's not easy, but it's possible. If Aisha has done it, come on, you can do it. The first step is finding a good location with high level of working class, banks, especially private sector, banks and government offices, because they are your target audience. They are the one that goes to work every day with office clothes that needs ironing, they need to be at their best. So they are your main target. So to find a good location that has them plenty, find a good shop that's not too expensive, that you can just manage as your pickup and delivery. It must not be where you wash. You can just do pickup and delivery. Once you pick up, you take it to your where you wash, your hanger, you iron. Once it's ready, you bring it back to the office and you put it in the cabinet. It's as simple as that. We're going to do to our second step, which find a good office space. That is your pickup location and drop location. Where you can put a big banner. I mean, big banner is something that is very big, that is readable. If it's in a plaza, maybe the plaza body is a very good design, which is high. Once someone is eye catchy, once a car is passing, it drags the eye there. So that is just it. You also lead us to our third step, which is advertisement and marketing. When it comes to ad, you need to do flyers, these paper flyers, because you're targeting people on that particular location. So you are going to basically do a flyer, go to each of the offices. They can talk to the receptionists, they put it on their notice board, like the government, the bank, put it on their notice board. As well as you can also you can always put on the cars, like open their cassette, someone to all these things, so that is distribute flyers, they put on the car bodies and stuff like that. And as well, you can also do ad and target that particular location, just 5 kilometers apart from you or 10 kilometers. Do ads, let them know that you are there, because who customer knows about is then they will buy from. So let them know that you are here. You understand? So do your ads. You going to do to our number 4, which is employ 2 people who have expertise in clothes, on how to wash, iron, handle, and the materials, different materials included. Because if you spoil somebody's clothes, those clothes are expensive. Some suits that needs dry cleaning don't need you to wash with water or wash with anything. Your washing machine, your dry cleaner should be able to differentiate that. You should not know the difference, what you can wash, you cannot wash, how to iron, the heat to use. Lots of like in burn people's clothes, so you need to be very careful with that. And the 5th one is to be as professional as possible. You need to maintain next day delivery for during dry seasons, and maybe 2-day delivery for rainy seasons. Because once you are doing like that, it gives the customer will be like, wow, these guys are authentic. Like, to me, I dropped my clothes yesterday and today it's ready. Imagine how fast that is. Who does that? So you need to be able to provide that next day delivery, pick up and delivery. Pick up today, tomorrow evening you have delivered. This 24 hours. If it's because of the weather and stuff like that, can be doing 2 days because of the weather. They will share, but you need to probably order. And the final step is to watch your business grow. If you add these 6 steps together, Believe me, you're going to have a successful laundry dry cleaning shop anywhere you are, in any city in the world you are. You need to be a successful one. You need to be a good one. You have to kickstart it. All you have to do is just start. Start with what you like, what you know. Make calls, ask, check the Google, check the environment, leave your house, drive land. Come on, guys, you get it. You get what you're looking for. You get it just the way it is. This is untapped, bro. This is really untapped. 100% untapped. If you can work on this, manage it well, I'm getting a million naira in less than 6 months. Believe me.